First piece that David co-wrote. Okay, start from the beginning. Just start from the beginning.
I'm not proud because I didn't write it.
But you co-wrote it.
It'd be different. No, I didn't co-write it.
You added. Just start at the beginning.
No.
Just the part that he wrote, and then say what you added to it.
No, I don't want to play it.
David plays all of it.
You already have a video of it.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Remember you recorded it and then you showed it to Taylor?
That was on my other phone. I can't believe you said that. You want me to start over? Because I'm still recording you.
Just make Teddy play it.
No, just play it. Okay. No, you messed it up. You have to start back and play it with the same passion you did a couple years. Okay, go. Now.
You can't play it with passion.
Play it. It's beautiful. I love it. I really like it. Could you play it with the same soft snowflake falling way that you did it a couple years ago? Snowflakes. Play it like snowflakes. That's an avalanche, sir. That's not snowflakes. That is a blizzard. I love it. It's beautiful. Thank you. No, it's not stupid. It's beautiful. Love it. Love you. You love Mommy too?
Yes.
Oh,
I just don't love that song.
You love that song. It's your favorite.